So this is Christmas Eve, and you can say Merry Christmas to Annie Di. Grandma Di, sorry. No, you're not going to say Merry Christmas?
Hunter will.
Okay, Hunter, going to say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Okay. Let's see, who else will possibly see this? Maybe Gary and Eleanor might see it. Jody?
Merry Christmas to Bob and everybody. Gary, Eleanor, Jody. Wish we were there.
Well, it snowed in Vegas. What's next? Phoenix, Mesa, probably.
You take a picture?
Let's see, you got anybody? Are you on Facebook? No? Okay. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, we got the other table, which is old people and AJ. So let's see, we could say Merry Christmas because I could put this, yeah, old people and AJ. Everybody's over 50. Yeah, so Merry Christmas. Here's Jim. Here we can come around and we can have Jim and AJ. You say Merry Christmas, AJ?
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
You're not going to say Merry Christmas? Can you say Santa? Oh, you got your mouth full. That would be hard to say anything, wouldn't it? Yeah, Gary made this really beautiful pork roast, stuffed pork roast, green beans. Carol made scalloped potatoes.
Somebody forgot to tell me we forgot to get the Jello out.
Oh, Italian Jello mold. We didn't put it out.
It's out now.
It's out now. Yeah, we can go see the food. Gary, say Merry Christmas. Gary, say Merry Christmas. Oh, bah humbug. He's the bah humbug sort, obviously. Let's see. Oh, there's Alex. He hasn't said Merry Christmas yet. Merry Christmas. Okay, let's see. We have ambrosia. Aunt Bonnie made ambrosia. And we have the Italian Jello salad mold that forgot to get put out. It's beautiful. Gary's favorite. And let's see. All the other really great foods here. Pork roast, stuffing, coleslaw. And now everybody's coming to get the beautiful salad mold.